Hello everybody, today is another day of another hot day, very hot day. And I'm going to check on my garden. The last time I showed you my garden, it was halfway done. When I say halfway done, there was no drip irrigation or anything. I just used the watering can, which is very tedious job, to water the plants with water up on there. Now you will see I have the irrigation line on. See that? Irrigation line all the way, so I don't have to use water containers to do that job. You see that? All the way. That got my job a lot of jogging. See, I used to use this. Now I don't have to use that because I don't need to use watering can anymore, because my garden is all having the drip line. These are my sunflowers. They're still too small. And this I sowed by hand. It's not perfectly done. And this one is sowed by kind of a machine that we used to roll it and push it, and it rolls and disperse the seeds by itself. This one I use my hand. I planted these seeds by hand. Yeah, by hand. Sometimes I drop 2 seeds. Yeah, not perfectly done, but right here the machine did it, and there's a lot of blank spots. So is mine. Right away, that's the update on my garden. It's not yet gone. We are farther north, so we are kind of late in producing anything from our garden. No fruits yet to bag, nothing. But we're looking, I would say, all right. These are my eggplants. I have lots of eggplants today. This year. I should have at least, if I don't have 3 dozen, no, if I don't have 2 dozen of plants, I would be disappointed. That means I have planted at least 24 plants of eggplants. And anything that doesn't make it because of the heat we're having, I had some more plants here to replace whatever is not working over there, like some of my cucumbers. They're not looking good. Like this one, see? That's not doing well. This one too. Holy cow. I don't know about that cucumber. And some are dead. Look, I have nothing here. It died. The heat kills them. Look at that. Anyway, there's some dead things here. I'm going to plant seeds in there instead. I think it's not too late for cucumbers, but that's the plan. I'm going to plant cucumbers right after this videoing. Hope you enjoy my video. You can ask me any question if you like. Thank you. Bye.